If you've been looking to add more beans, more fiber into your diet, then I'm going to introduce to you a really cool product, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based way of eating with a focus on protein. So today's going to be a little bit different of a video. I am going to show you a quick little recipe, but I'm also going to introduce you to a really cool company that I just discovered. I think they've been around for a while, but they're new to me, and what I found out is they are local. They are right here in Morro Bay, which is very close to where I live. We're in the same county, and I did not know that they existed. So it's funny how life works and how things just happen to come your way. I am not one to gatekeep, so when I find something good, something healthy, something that aligns with my values, then I'm going to share it with you. And lucky for you, this company has given me a discount code so you'll get 10% off. And the company is Wellbeing. And they have bars and they have snacks. They have something called a muggins, which I'm going to make one of those for you today. But I wanted to go over some of their products and just read some of their literature. And they've really done their research, and I think you're going to really want to try this product out. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. So the first thing you're going to notice, it's right on the front of the box, is that it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's natural, no preservatives, no added sugar, no oil, no salt. Now, that is a really tough combo to pull off. So I'm really excited about this. So why more beans? And why is life better with beans? That's their logo, that's their slogan. It lowers the risk of heart disease, reduces the risk of cancer, improves your glucose management. That's because beans are so high in fiber that they help do all that. They give you a lot of this information. Here's a little card that they put in the box. And this is beans and breast cancer. A number of studies have shown an inverse relationship between legume consumption and breast cancer. The more beans you eat, the lower your risk of breast cancer. And I think many other cancers as well. And that's been a proven fact. I'm going to show you the products that came in this box. So I'm going to move this aside. First up are these nuggets. And this is chocolate and peanut butter. This has a half of serving of beans. Now you can't beat that. And this is a nice little sweet treat. Let me see some of the ingredients in here. We have dates, we have navy and pinto beans, peanut butter, figs, cacao chips, cocoa butter, vanilla. And this is organic. So we're gonna try one of these. Let's try it right now. So these look very dense, and I see the dates. I see a lot of good stuff in here. So let me just take a little taste here. I mean, it's amazing that there's no sugar added. That's awesome. They also have several different kinds of bars here. Looks like they've got 6 different flavors. They have almond fudge brownie. Delish. Chocolate chip walnut, peanut butter crunch. There's a lemon poppy seed, a superfood, which black beans, lentils, fruit seeds. I mean, a lot of good stuff in there. And then they have a sunflower fig bar. Well, since I'm a chocolate nut, I'm going to try the chocolate chip walnut. And this is gluten-free, high in fiber, no sugar added, vegan of course, and a half serving of beans, fruits, and nuts. All right, here we go. Crazy good, not gonna lie. It's really delicious. I think this is something that would be amazing to put in your kids' lunch. Or my lunch for that matter. If you have a sweet tooth and you like chocolate, you're gonna love this one. Now this one is called Muggins. This is chocolate cake. And along with this, you do get this little silicone cup that you can mix it in. So you can make one serving. So we're gonna do that right now. So hold on. All right, I've got a 1/3 cup of the mix, and then I'm putting in a 1/4 cup of plant milk. And they said it's gonna be thick, and this should be interesting to try to mix this up, but I'll do my best. You could also put it in a coffee mug. That would work, which I probably should have done, but that's okay. I have to tell you, those bars and those nuggets are, whoa, really rich. Now this we get a microwave for 90 seconds. And then you just want to cook it until it starts pulling away from the edges. All right, this looks like it's pulling away from the sides. I'm gonna give it a minute to cool off so I don't burn my mouth. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Look at that. It is really hot, so we're gonna have to wait a minute. All right, I'm going in. That's pretty dang good. Well, I definitely got my beans in for today. That's for sure. Wait till it cools off. Don't be like me. Really good. I hope you give Wellbeing a try. Discount code will be in the description box. Another thing I wanted to mention is this is a woman-owned company, and let's support women here. It's hard enough to have a small business, but to have a business that has vegan, gluten-free, no oil, you know, SOS free is pretty amazing. So I hope you give this a try. If you like this video, if you learned something, if you're gonna try this, then please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with Wellbeing, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. Remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, they're good for the planet, as is this product, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Then I'm gonna introduce you to a really cool new product. I don't know if it's new, but I should just shut up. No. Okay, that's all I got.